Nokia is a very old and legendary smartphone company. But after disappearing for a few years, Nokia is now making a grand comeback to shake up the mobile market. According to leaks, Nokia is about to launch a beast of a smartphone. Rumor has it, this phone will come with a 5-camera setup, featuring a mind-blowing 250-megapixel DSLR grade primary camera. Yes, you heard that right, we're talking about the Nokia Premiere Pro 5G. And the best part, it's going to be surprisingly affordable. In today's video, we'll dive into the fully leaked specs, price, and launch date of this phone. So let's start. Features of Nokia Premiere Pro 5G. Display. According to leaks, this stunning smartphone will pack a massive 6.87-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with a 144 Hz refresh rate, and a super smooth 390 Hz touch sampling rate. On top of that, it'll feature an in-display fingerprint sensor, Corning Gorilla Glass armor protection, and an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera, because this is where things get crazy. On the back, you'll find a 5-camera setup, headlined by a 250-megapixel primary shooter. But that's not all, it also includes 50-megapixel, 24-megapixel, 12-megapixel, and 8-megapixel secondary sensors. And for selfie lovers, there's a 50-megapixel front camera ready to capture your best angles. Performance. Under the hood, this beast will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 chipset, ensuring lightning-fast performance. And for software, you're getting the latest Android 16 straight out of the box. Battery and charging. When it comes to battery life, the Nokia Premiere Pro 5G doesn't hold back, it's packing a massive 8000 mAh battery. And to juice it up quickly, it supports 125-watt fast charging via USB Type-C. Price and launch date. Finally, let's talk about the price. This monster is expected to launch at around $800. And when can you get your hands on it? Well, if rumors are true, December might just be the month Nokia makes its grand return.